Be honest, you've probably dreamed about how awesome it would be to learn any new skill instantly, as if you could just snap your fingers and master it. Imagine if every subject or skill you wanted to conquer could be learned at lightning speed. Today, I'm going to share a logical, step-by-step system that can help you learn anything faster than everyone else. And no, you don't need to be a spy or have secret gadgets, just the right strategies. Our brains work in two modes, the focused mode and the diffuse mode. In focused mode, you zero in on one task, absorbing details quickly. In diffuse mode, your mind relaxes and makes connections between ideas. To learn faster, balance these two modes. Start by concentrating intensely on your material for a set period. Then take a short break to let your brain process the information in the background. This simple switch can unlock creative insights and reinforce what you've learned. Let's break down some key techniques. Spaced repetition. Instead of cramming, review material at increasing intervals. This method cements knowledge in your long-term memory. Active recall. Test yourself frequently. Whether through flashcards or self-quizzing, actively retrieving information makes it stick. Chunking. Break complex topics into smaller, manageable pieces. By grouping related ideas together, your brain processes and retains information more efficiently. Teach what you learn. Explaining concepts to someone else, even an imaginary audience, forces you to organize your thoughts and identify any gaps in your understanding. Embrace desirable difficulties. Challenge yourself with tasks that are just a bit out of reach. Overcoming these challenges deepens your learning, even if it feels tough at first. Here's a simple plan you can follow. Step 1. Choose a topic and set a clear goal. Step 2. Dive in with focused study for 25 to 30 minutes. No distractions. Step 3. Take a short break. Let your mind wander and absorb the material in diffuse mode. Step 4. Use active recall by testing yourself on what you've just learned. Step 5. Break the topic into chunks and try teaching those chunks to a friend or even to your favorite rubber duck. Step 6. Repeat these cycles over days and weeks, gradually spacing out your reviews. Following this system will not only speed up your learning, but also ensure that the knowledge lasts. Remember, rapid learning isn't about magic or shortcuts. It's about understanding how your brain works and using proven techniques to boost your mastery. So go ahead, put these strategies into practice and watch as you start learning anything faster than you ever thought possible. Happy learning! Subscribe for more tips on unlocking your brain's full potential, and don't forget to share your own learning hacks in the comments below.